Welcome. Today we'll solve a trigonometric expression using the cosine of some identity. Our problem is to calculate the exact value of cosine of 70 degrees times cosine of 20 degrees minus sine of 70 degrees times sine of 20 degrees. The key to solving this is recognizing that this expression matches the right side of the cosine of some identity. The cosine of some identity states that cosine of a plus b equals cosine of a times cosine of b minus sine of a times sine of b. Looking at our problem, we can see that it matches exactly with the right side of the cosine of some identity. This means our expression is equal to the cosine of the sum of 70 degrees and 20 degrees. Now, we can simply add 70 degrees plus 20 degrees, which gives us 90 degrees. Therefore, our expression is equal to cosine of 90 degrees, which we know equals 0. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. When we start at 70 degrees and add 20 degrees to it, we end up at 90 degrees, which is at the top of the unit circle where cosine equals 0. And that's how we can use the cosine of some identity to calculate this trigonometric expression. Remember, recognizing when an expression matches a fundamental identity is key to solving these types of problems.